Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. I'm good. So today we are doing a new video of the SIM A7670 series with ESP32, and today we are gonna doing the SMS function. Okay, so today we are doing how to send SMS and how to receive SMS from devices to our smartphone and from smartphone to the devices. Okay, so today we show you full SMS function, and this is the second video of the series, and the first video explained how you connect the SIM A7670G 4G module with ESP32 and the pin diagram and how you power and everything. Okay, so please watch the first video if you new. I put the first video link in the description. Please watch. Okay, so the SIM A7670 comes with micro SIM slot, and of course you have to some active plan with the SIM. So we need this for the SMS function. Okay, so that's it. Our SIM module is connected with the network. You can see the green LED is blinking, so it is connected. So let's go to the serial monitor, the Arduino IDE, and so I open the code. I give the link in the description, the code link actually, the GitHub link, and when you open the code, we'll be need a library called TinyGSM client library. But if you download the library from the library manager, this library will not work. Okay, so in this whole series we will use a external library. So the library link also I put in the description. Please download the library and install it. Okay, so we need, and in this example we will send a number. So this is the admin number, this is my number, and this is the country code. So please edit this number and put your country code with your valid number. Okay, and all this pin diagram is the same as the first video, so I will suggest please watch the first video first. I put the first video link in the description. I explain everything, how you connect the SIM A7670G module with the ESP32 and the pin diagram and the power supply. Okay, and power. Okay, so this is the setup function, and after initializing we will after all of this, just we will send SMS to admin number. Okay, hello from IMEI number, and if the message successfully sent, then it will print okay, and if failed, then failed. Okay, and this portion is need for to the SMS text. So what text we receiving, actually the SMS receiving. Okay, so in the loop we will run a while loop to watching any new SMS coming from. So we'll read and print. Okay, so we will read the response, and we will extract the phone number, which phone number coming from for the SMS. Okay, so let's run the code, and we will select ESP32 board and port SIM8. So okay, upload this code. Some initialization of the modem, and network connected, and success. Start to send SMS to this number. Okay, so let's check on my phone, is SMS coming or not. Yes, hello from IMEI number. This is the modem IMEI number, and we successfully receive SMS from the modem. Okay, so receiving SMS okay right now, and now we will try to send SMS. Okay, send SMS from smartphone, from phone to the modem. Okay, so let's say hello from phone. Okay, let's send hello from phone, and let's check if the modem is received or not. The serial monitor we can see, yes, we can see the phone number, the coming phone number, and the message is hello from phone. Okay, so today our sending SMS and receiving SMS is successful. So we can successfully send SMS from phone to the devices and from devices to the phone. So you can do many application with this SMS function, right? Like to relay control, to bulb control, to switch something. Okay, so you can do where the internet is not available, you can do with your phone to SMS. Okay, so today that's it from next time we will explore more and more example. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.